Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the auto trophy captures for screenshots and video clip recordings when you're playing on your PlayStation 5. So if you get like a trophy or something like that, you're going to notice it's going to take a screenshot or a video clip depending on what kind of trophy you unlock. To actually cancel this out and to prevent this so your media gallery isn't just full of trophy information, we need to go to settings right here and then scroll on down and go to captures and broadcasts. Then go to the right and let's go to where it says trophies. So let's go to trophies right here. Select this. And then it says save trophy screenshots. Automatically take a screenshot when you earn a trophy. So you can set it per the level of the trophy that you unlock. I just have it set to none because I really don't want a screenshot. Then you can do the same thing for video clip recordings too. So just go ahead and just set this to wherever you want. You can only have it available for platinum trophies. Otherwise you have gold, silver, and platinum right here. So choose wherever you want, and then you can set the default length too if you really want that too there. Then we have challenges down here. Auto capture challenge videos. When you achieve a personal best, automatically capture a video of the gameplay. So you can checkmark this or uncheckmark it too. And this might save you a little bit more space too. Or navigating your media gallery will be a little bit easier. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.